Hello, beautiful people. In today's video, we are going to be restyling this factory wig and we'll be using our heat protectant and also our got to be spray. So, first thing is to section the air and use our coiler. You can see the way I'm using it. This coiler has already been plugged. So now you have to use a towel or anything to hold it in order for you not to get burnt. So keep repeating the process, keep sectioning the air to enable it to have a defined coils. Then you keep repeating the same process. So let's keep watching. We are making progress. So right now we're going to style the front part of the wig. So we're using our tape comb just to give it a nice part. So you can see, after which was just giving it a nice, after which we'll use our hair wax. This hair wax, I'm sorry, the label has been peeled off, but it's still an hair wax, So now this health comb has already been plugged. So let's keep washing. Thank you for sticking with us up to this moment, and please follow for more hair tutorials. So this is the result. This hair is extremely gorgeous, extremely gorgeous. So thank you and God bless.